Hi guys, I just take out my animal kaiser from Revolution 7. First one, Master Leo. Second one, Amadon Waters. Third one, Ninja Train Starflight. Fourth one, Death Scotch. Fifth one, Sengetsu. Sixth one, Master, whatever you read that name. African Elephant. Indian Rhinoceros. African Buffalo. Fisher. Indian 8Q. Roaring Gorilla with Scorpion. I just take out the box just now. I actually don't take it out first, but I take it out earlier. This is all the animal kaiser that I just take out the box from the box. I'll see you in the next video that I'll take. Please give it a like and a subscribe. I hope you have watched my last videos last time, or maybe today, maybe just now, whatever. Okay, so please subscribe with a like. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.